Hi students, problem number 7. A thin bar magnet of length 2L is bent at the midpoint so that the angle between them is 60 degree. The new length of the magnet is asked. A similar problem in the previous videos we have discussed by taking a steel wire having a magnetic moment. In this case, a thin bar magnet is given. So what do you mean by length of the bar magnet? It is the distance between the two magnetic poles. Okay. So the length of the magnet is taken as 2L. When it is bent, the two bent pieces make what angle at the midpoint is 60 degree. So after bending, what is the length of the bent portion on the left hand side? It is L. So the remaining portion will have a length of L. So the total length will remain the same. After bending also, the length remains the same. So L plus L is 2L. But magnetic length is defined as the distance between the two poles only, is it not? What is the new length of the magnet is asked. So the new length of this bent magnet is equal to BD plus DC. That is equal to BC. We have to find the length BC. So the same concept of isosceles triangle we have to follow. So I have completed this isosceles triangle ABD and ACD. In both the triangles, the angle made with A is 30 degree. So I will take first in triangle, okay. First I will take a triangle ADB. So in triangle ADB, sin 30 is equal to opposite side BD. Opposite side is BD divided by hypotenuse is AB. Okay, hypotenuse AB. So this is equal to BD divided by L. So what is BD is equal to L into sin 30. That is equal to L into 1 by 2. Is it not? Sin 30 is half. So this is L by 2. Similarly, we can say no. Similarly, in the other triangle ACD also sin theta must be equal to what? DC divided by L. So we can also find out DC is equal to again L sin 30. So this is equal to what? L by 2. Therefore, what is the new magnetic length? The new magnetic length is equal to, that is BC. Okay. So BC is equal to L by 2 plus L by 2. That is equal to L. So the new magnetic length, okay, between these two must be equal to what? L itself. So which option is the correct option? You see here, D is the correct option. Okay. Therefore, option D, that is the magnetic length L, is the correct answer. It's a very simple problem. Okay. But many times this type of questions have been asked in the Neet and the other entrance examinations like JEE also. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.